In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the order of columns for different screen sizes in Elementor. If you're designing your website with JupyterX, then you may want to take advantage of the ability to specify numerous settings for not only desktop screen size, but also tablets and mobile devices. With the amount of users relying on these alternate devices, it's crucial that you make the best impression for everyone. One thing you may want to vary for different screen sizes is your column order. Let me show you an example of when this may apply. Take a look at these two sections with alternating two-column layouts. The top one has an image to the right of the content, and the bottom one is reversed, giving a nice layout. Going down to the responsive mode button and looking at it on tablet, it also looks fine. However, as I preview it on mobile, notice that I end up with two images back to back, because the top section has an image in the last column and the bottom section has an image in the first column. To adjust that, we can simply select the bottom section, then navigate to the Edit Section dashboard. From the Advanced tab and under the Responsive section, you can enable the reverse column option for tablet or mobile devices. In this case, we want to reverse mobile, which keeps the alternating column design intact. Hopefully this video helped and you can apply this concept in your website. Thanks for watching. Cheers.